Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is PJ. If you're new here, thank you so much for supporting this channel by clicking on this video. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys this wear and go wig from Wigginshair. This is their loose deep wave wig in 26 inches. So this is what the unit looks like. The knots on this wig is very small and the hairline already comes pre-plucked. This is their 9x5. So the elastic band and two combs help keep it secure, but I only typically use the elastic band and the comb in the back sometimes. So this is what it looks like when you first put it on with no makeup on the lace. And as you can see, the lace comes kind of close to my ear, but not all the way down to the end of my hairline. So as you can see, after I put some makeup on my lace, it blends so well. These wear and go wigs typically blend really well because they use HD lace, and I love that because it blends so well with my natural hairline, so I don't always have to add baby hairs on the side. So now I'm just taking my wax stick and hot comb and flattening out the top and around the hairline. So this is what it's looking like so far, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my melt band without using any glues, gels, or mousses on the hairline. This just allows the hairline to look a little more seamless and melt it down. And now we're just gonna take some mousse and apply it on the hair just to help control a little frizz. I didn't use any water on this hair because it honestly did not need it. This hair was so soft and just tangle free. The mousse done a very good job. So after I finished applying the mousse, I just went ahead and took my band off. And as you can see, it just allowed the hairline to look just so much more better. And then I'm going to apply concealer to my part. I didn't apply that much concealer. You really don't need to do this part, but it just helps like blend the part where your cap is showing. And that's it, you guys. This is what it looks like up close. It still looks so good even without the knots being bleached. And I definitely could have added a little more concealer to my part, but I was doing my best trying not to be as heavy-handed with it. But it still turned out really good. And yes, this is still glueless. I didn't use any products and it blended really well around my natural hairline. So definitely, if you guys are interested, make sure that you check out the description box down below. And thank you again to Wigginshair for sponsoring today's video. And I look forward to talking to you guys in my next one. Bye.